Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special, oh boy, Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. Take advantage of the Prime's fast and free shipping. They'll ship this out to you in no time. We got less than a month. Santa Claus coming. Oh boy, here we go. See something. Dang. Kind of heavy. Cut there. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. See what they have to offer. Came in today. Soft. Alright. This box could go bye-bye. Boom. There we go. Alright. Is it pillow covers? Alright, let's see. It's airtight sealed. They packaged it pretty well. Whoa. Hear it hissing? Oh, pillows. Ooh. Alright. We have one here. Nice, soft. This is really super soft. Dang. Ooh, this is like gel. I wish you guys could feel this, but this is a really nice pillow. Look at that. I'm gonna put this covered up on my bed and show you guys what it looks like once I go upstairs in a minute. But who is this from? Let me check the box. Check the box right now. Funk. There we go. Maybe a second. Still can't find it. I don't see no tags on it either. But really nice. Got some covers. Here we go. This is coming from DreamNorth. Really cool. So I'll be back. I'll show you guys upstairs. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is, a DreamNorth gel pillow. Super soft, really comfortable. Came out really good. So definitely get a good night's sleep on this. And there it is, DreamNorth. So check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below. Get it at a low cost. And that is it. Be safe. Have a good night.